Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have, I guess what you would call a swap, JP Succulents. He's on Instagram and on YouTube, and that's his name on both of those medias is JP Succulents. He had to see me haul some plants that he really wanted to add to his collections. He had asked me if I would be able to get some for him and that he would send me some plants. Now JP, his Instagram and channel will be a little bit more unique because he gets succulents from Korea, so he has lots of different succulents. He has a pretty big collection, so I'm just gonna pull these out gently. I don't have any idea what I'm getting, so I'm super excited because this will be my first Korean succulent, so I am so excited about that. Thank you so much, JP. Look, and he's already got the packing down pack. No pun intended, right? Wow. Oh my gosh, JP. Oh my goodness. Let me see if this lights me. I don't know if that light's gonna make a difference, but this is so nice. It's beautiful. If he knows the names, I'm sure that he will let me know the names. But no. But JP also and sometimes he does sell some of his Korean plants. So if you're interested, you can check out his page. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Can't get over how beautiful it is. The colors are just amazing, and these roots are really nice. So yeah. Maxie, come here. She's searching for something back there. Oh wow, oh my goodness. This is dolphin, the dolphin plant. I don't even know what's the rest of the name of it, but it's the dolphin one. Wow. You can see it right there. You can see it right there. It just needs a little bit of water and it's gonna perk up nicely. I don't know if I should do water therapy or just regular. I think I'm gonna do regular and see how that goes. Regular and just keep them in here in the greenhouse. But I'm not gonna, this one I would dare to give it a good drink. But this one over here, I would water, you know, just a tiny bit, little by little, just because I wouldn't want to lose that. And oh look, variegated bear, so pretty, so cute. It's a cutting. I love these, and this has some beautiful coloring on it. Wow, that is beautiful. I love this plant. It's just so pretty. Thank you so much, Max. Stop it. Okay, wait, that one doesn't have any roots, so I'll have to pot it somewhere and without any no watering. Oh, I don't know if this is a regular. I'm gonna say it's not. It feels different. It looks like a Echeveria per Newtonberg, but I don't think it is. It's something different about it, so I'm still unsure. So that is really nice. So happy about these plants. So pretty. Okay, so yeah, I need to pot these up quickly and watch them grow. Thank you so much, JP. Guys, I will link JP's information down below so you guys can check his YouTube channel and his Instagram. Guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.